Hi guys, Becky here with Insightful Equine. I am showing you the stall cleaning method that will save you time, save you some money, make your stalls cleaner, use less bedding, make your horses get a little neater. It can help with skin issues, help with breathing issues. The horses overall will be happier in these stalls. I'm telling you, it is worth the extra work. How does it work? We take out the big manure first. Take out the big wet spot next, and then we're gonna take all the little crumbly poops and kind of shake them out over the area where the wet spot was gonna be. She's gonna probably pee there tomorrow, so all of the kind of mediocre bedding is gonna get shifted to that area, and then all of the new bedding is gonna get placed where she will get to eat around it, lay on it, be comfortable in it. And we're not taking brand new bedding and throwing it right on the manure area or right on the urine area where it's going to get peed or pooped on and then taken out right away. I have a apple picker, shovel, broom, odor eliminator. Ours is a concentrate, so we mix it up and throw it in a sprinkling can, so that way we can just sprinkle it on a little bit in every stall. Makes it super easy. Some people use the little pump sprayers. We've done that for a while and they just don't hold up. We tend to break a lot of them. So sprinkling can is just as awesome. Muck bucket. We like to throw our muck buckets on wheels so we can wheel them down the barn aisle. Super easy. You can grab those at a hardware store and just pop them on there, screw them on there. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab all the big piles first, throw them in the muck bucket. One thing you can do to help not make the poop crumble up so much is when you're scooping it, instead of bouncing to get rid of the shavings, that makes crumbles, we're actually going to take and just sift it back and forth just a little bit, no crumbles. Super helpful in making a lot less work later. Easy peasy. Alright, the big stuff is basically eliminated. We've got a big wet spot here, so we're going to take and sweep away all the shavings that are still clean or kind of semi-clean out of there. And then what we're going to do is pick up the wet spot, get that out of there, and then all the semi-clean shavings are going to go in that wet area where she's probably going to pee on them tomorrow. A little odor eliminator, pop that on there. Then I'm going to sweep that next layer over, so that way when I put her new bedding in, it is on fresh, clean ground. So all of the bedding essentially gets rotated into being nice and clean. There's never any bedding that is super old that sits in the corner for an unknown amount of time. All clean. New bedding. Around on this other end, so that way when she goes to lay down, she's got a good clean spot. And when we're done, the stall looks almost like brand new, and I've only used a half a bag of bedding, and she has a fair amount in here to lay down on. These stall mats have cushioning underneath them, so I don't put, 6 inches of bedding or anything, but she's got a couple inches to lay down on, and be comfy. And that is now that it's done, here's what it looks like. So you've got the darker areas are areas where she's gonna probably poop and pee tomorrow. There's still a few little crumbles of poop in there. No big apples that got left behind. And then there's still some bedding that is like, that's kind of not perfect, but she's gonna pee on it tomorrow. It'll get taken out tomorrow. It's not gonna sit in there for a month or be, you know, some creepy corner of yucky bedding. Same thing, this end back here, she poops back there, so a little bit yucky. And then as we kind of zoom back here, all this nice bedding in the front is where she can lay down, she can, you know, eat around it, not have to be eating or sleeping on wet stuff or on dusty bedding. So all gets rotated and ends up as nice, new, fresh bedding. And like I said, we did all of this and only used about a half a bag of bedding. Looks pretty darn good considering it was not stripped out, and we pretty much don't really have to strip this stall because it's constantly rotating from the oldest bedding coming out each day and the newest bedding staying in the cleanest areas. So pretty easy.